let's
okay,
talk about
thank you very much
Zoom
for coming.
Zoom Lion started looking around and seeing that there was so much filth around us. Earlier times, we depended on the local government assemblies. Unfortunately, the conservancy workers would come around and just work superficially, but they were not regular. So this man comes around, he organizes, employs a lot of people, and now Zoom Lion is a household name. Saying this is not saying we are blind to some of the drawbacks. No, the law should be there to deal with people who really go astray. We are a nation or a government now of rule of law, so the law should handle. But we are talking of creativity, of industry, of wealth, of employment.